Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports ESIM, open settings and verify ESIM or dual SIM. Once done, make sure you have your ID, local mobile number, and a payment method ready so activation won't stall. Buy the Zong ESIM via their portal or an authorized retailer. You'll receive either a QR code or an activation code. Take a clear photo or screenshot of that QR and save the purchase receipt, because you'll need it to proceed during installation and for support. Now install the ESIM, open settings, go to cellular or mobile data, and choose Add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR code or manually enter the activation code. The phone will download the ESIM profile. After that, assign a label and choose whether this line is your default for data, calls, or messages. This matters when you have 2 lines. Make sure to enable data roaming only if you plan to travel. If connection fails, check APN settings and set APN to Internet. Zong, COM, PK. Finish activation by confirming in the Zong app or via the activation SMS. The network can take up to 30 minutes to provision the ESIM, so be patient. Once provisioned, test by making a call, sending an SMS, and using mobile data. If services don't appear, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone and recheck APN. If problems persist, contact Zong support with your purchase receipt and ICSID. They can re-provision the profile or issue a new activation code. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.